Analyzing accounting transactions into accounting equation. Problem. Mr. Hamza Nouman started his own business. He executed the following transactions in the first month of his business. 2018 April 1. Mr. Hamza Nouman started business with cash 250,000, furniture 200,000 and building 800,000. April 2. Opened a bank account with cash 80,000. April 3. Paid 1,000 rupees for office expenses. April 5. Purchased stationery for office use rupees 50. April 7. Bought goods from Mr. Jahid for rupees 15,000, paying cash rupees 5,000 and balance after 1 month. April 10. Withdraw cash from bank for office use 8,000 rupees. April 13. Sold goods to Tanveer and Company for rupees 15,000 and paid carriage rupees 200 for delivery. April 21. Cash received from Tanveer and Company rupees 2,000. April 24. Issued a check of rupees 1,000 for advertisement expenses. April 28. Withdraw from bank rupees 8,000 for personal use. April 30. Goods amounting to 500 rupees were given as charity. Required. You are required to prepare accounting equation for the month. In the books of Mr. Hamza Nouman, statement of accounting equation for the month of April 2018. Date, transaction, amount, journal entry, debit, credit, accounting equation, assets is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. April 1. Mr. Hamza Nouman started business with cash 250,000. Amount 250,000. Cash debit. Mr. Hamza capital credit. Assets add 250,000. Owner's equity add 250,000. Mr. Nouman started business with cash and furniture 200,000. Amount 200,000. Debit furniture. Credit Mr. Hamza capital. Assets 200,000 add. Owner's equity add 200,000. Mr. Hamza Nouman started business with cash, furniture and building worth 800,000. Amount 800,000. Debit building, credit Mr. Hamza capital. Asset add 800,000. Ownership equity add 800,000. April 2. Opened bank account with cash 80,000. Amount 80,000. Debit bank, credit cash. In the assets, there is no change because bank and cash account both are asset account. One account is coming, one account is going out. Effect no change. April 3. Paid rupees 1,000 for office expenses. Amount 1,000. Debit office expenses, credit cash. Assets less 1,000. Owner's equity less 1,000. April 5. Purchased stationery for office use rupees 50. Amount rupees 50. Stationery debit, cash credit. Assets less 50 rupees. Owner's equity less 50 rupees. April 7. Bought goods from Mr. Jahid for rupees 15,000, paying cash rupees 5,000 and balance after a month. Amount 15,000. Purchases debit, cash credit, accounts payable credit. Assets 10,000 add 10,000. Liabilities add 10,000. April 10. Withdraw cash from bank for office use 8,000. Amount 8,000. Cash debit, bank credit. In the assets, there is no change because cash and assets both are asset accounts. Effect no change. April 13. Sold goods to Tanveer and Company for rupees 15,000. Amount 15,000. Accounts receivable debit, sales credit. Asset add asset 15,000. Add owner's equity 15,000. Paid carriage rupees 200 for a delivery of goods to Mr. Tanveer and Company on the sale. Amount 200. Carriage outwards debit, cash credit. Asset less 2,000. Owner's equity less 2,000. April 21. Cash received from Tanveer and Company rupees 2,000. Amount rupees 2,000. Cash debit, accounts receivable credit. There is no change because cash and accounts receivable both are asset accounts. April 24. Issued a check for rupees 1,000 for advertisement. Amount 1,000. Advertisements debit, bank credit. Asset less 1,000. Owner's equity less 1,000. April 28. Withdraw from bank 8,000 rupees for personal use. Amount 8,000. Drawings debit, bank credit. Asset less 8,000. Owner's equity less 8,000. April 30. Goods amounting to 500 were given as charity. Amount 500. Charity debit, inventory credit. Assets minus 500. Owner's equity. Total asset 12,64,250. Total liabilities 10,000. Total owner's equity 12,54,250. Summary. Accounting equation. Assets is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. Total assets is equal to 12,64,250. Total liabilities is equal to 10,000. Owner's equity is equal to 12,54,250. Accounting equation. Total assets is equal to 12,64,250 is equal to 10,000 plus 12,54,250. 12,64,250. Recap. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.